Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is I want to show you the news trading. This is the pair of the USD CAD and these are the 15 minutes on news and these are the second 15 minutes. Now this has been entered in the same 15 minutes, so here is the entry and this is the stop loss. Let me put the horizontal line for entry and this is the stop loss. And let us move to other pairs of USD. What is happening in other pairs? Now AUD USD. In these 15 minutes the market went down, and though the rush is not as strong as in the USD CAD, is still the possibility of the, but these are still high volume, high range 15 minutes. So here entry is, let me put the horizontal line here. Now I am entering here, but when market again comes, maybe it could come to retest this and the stop loss above this. This is second pair of USD. Now third pair of USD, and keep in mind there is also another news at after 3 or 2.5 hours. So but this is just for these 3 hours. Now AUD USD and USD CAD, both of the pairs have been seen. Now USD JPY. Here let me remove the previous settings. Now here is entry. Let me enter the, after watching all the pairs I will just upload this. This is the entry, this is the stop loss. Now this is the third pair. Now we are moving to the fourth pair, USD, Euro USD. In the Euro USD, these are the 15 minutes. Now this is the entry, this is the stop loss. And after Euro USD, let us to other pair of USD, NZD USD. These are the 15 minutes. In these 15 minutes, this is the entry, this is the stop loss. These are the four and what others remain. These 4 pairs: USD CAD, AUD USD, Euro USD, NZD USD, USD CHF, USD CHF. These are the 15 minutes. These are the 15 minutes, and this is the entry. This is the entry, this is the stop loss. So I think it's okay. I just want to upload this, and maybe we have done this on these 5 pairs, and let us see what happens. This is the Forex trading strategy on news that already I have shared a video about, but today I want to show practically at the time of the news. Like this video, subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye for now. I will be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye.